Garlic Hasselback potatoes with an herb sour cream. Crispy oven-roasted potatoes sliced like a deck of cards with slivers of garlic thrown in the slices. Dollop them with a fresh parsley sour cream. It's banging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little butter in here, about half a stick to melt it, some olive oil. We're gonna toss the potatoes with this a little bit later, as soon as we're done putting everything together. Okay, we're gonna let that melt. Let me show you how to do these potatoes. Really simple. We're gonna slice some garlic and put them on the inside. So we do maybe 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, as thin as you can get it. If you're a garlic lover like me, it doesn't really matter though. All right, so here's how you do the potatoes. A little trick, find your wooden spoon, cradle the potato in there, and just start making some slices across. All right, halfway through, I flip it around, more slices. The good thing about this, makes room for the garlic, and then when we put this in the oven to roast, these tops are gonna be so crunchy. Yeah, one last chunk of garlic in our Hasselback potatoes. Okay, so I've got the butter and the olive oil. I'm just gonna kind of drizzle it over the top and toss it with my hand. Salt and pepper really quick. Lots of salt. It's all gonna mix together when I toss it. A little bit of pepper. All right, both hands in. Don't worry about the garlic coming out, man. It's so packed in there with that raw potato. It's not going anywhere, and if it does, it's gonna taste nice and crunchy. So don't stress too much. All right, those are good, ready to go. I'm gonna put these in 400 degrees for about an hour, just like a baked potato. Speaking of baked potato, we've got a sour cream herb sauce that I'm gonna put on this. It's gonna taste amazing. Let me get some sour cream really quick. Some sour cream. I love this recipe because, man, this is just really simple, but it pays off really big in the end. Let me get a bowl. I can mix it in here. So about a half a cup of sour cream. No need to super measure. A little salt, a little pepper. You can do this with like vegetables. Of course, it's great over a baked potato, and it's gonna go great with our garlic Hasselback potatoes. Some garlic powder. Just a little bit. It's gonna go well. Because you got the garlic in the potatoes, you might add some garlic on top too. And some parsley. Some fresh parsley. A couple of leaves really quick. I'm gonna chop these up, put them in, stir it, and set it to the side. And they're ready to top our garlic Hasselback potatoes. Now remember, this is really simple, and look how pretty it is in the end. You just slice them like a deck of cards. Don't go all the way down to the bottom. Put a couple of slivers of garlic in there. These come out so hot and they're so tiny, I want to pop them in my mouth. So add a little dollop of that herb sour cream we made earlier. It's gonna cool it off for you.